Advanced Clinical's collagen serum supports the natural production of collagen in the epidermis. After using this face serum, your skin will look plumper and firmer than ever before. Especially helpful for lip lines, advanced formula will visibly restore volume to crevices. Powerful soy complex diminishes the look of crepe-like skin. Transform yourself and your skin with Collagen Instant Plumping Serum for a youthful glow. For best results, use this with one of our Advanced Clinical's facial oils. Value Pack: 2 large 2OZ bottles. Collagen Instant Plumping Serum is your key to firmer, more youthful-looking skin. Moisturizing serum with collagen booster helps reduce the appearance wrinkles, fine lines, dark circles, puffiness and age spots. Highly concentrated collagen facial serum contains firming algae extract to support supple skin. Top-rated anti-aging serum on Amazon. Dual formula instantly plumps skin for a flash of radiance. Soy extracts target sagging, lost elasticity and facial lines. Results within 4 weeks. Glycerin increases hydration for a dewy glow, while collagen plumps to lock in essential moisture, paraben-free. Trusted formula. Manufactured in the USA. Not tested on animals. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.